पूर्ण करू नये. प्राजक्ता सांगे तिचे मनोगत व्यक्त करा.
Mr. Kailash sir for his great achievement. I would like to share my experience in this class. Like once I come in class, so I wish sir good morning. So he used to say that don't wish in English, just speak in German so that you will be more familiar with the German language. So like this way we practice German in our day-to-day life or in class itself. And if I want to ask a pen for writing to my friend, so I asked her give me a pen. So sir said that instead of saying pen, it is called Kuli in German. So if I want to ask pen, I would say that I want a Kuli. So in this way we practice German in class, and such a way that interest generated in this last few months. Thank you.